Hello guys, this is me and mommy. We're enjoying mango and pineapple, and mommy's having kilo and then
Chili.
and then
Pineapple and chili.
we're eating mango seed and then we have fruits and then mommy always eats spicy. Bye bye guys. So fun.
I'm gonna try this. I
I'll
love
try this
spicy. Yeah, and Kyle's eating mango.
Hey guys, this is mango.
Okay, it's mango season here in Australia. And I'm gonna eat the
There's
pineapple
no mango
with
apple.
vinegar and fish sauce. And the chili.
And there's pepper
With the oily
on-
face.
And there's a pepper there.
Mm.
And there's salt
Yummy.
and pepper there.
Mm-hmm.
Is there salt and pepper?
Yes, love it.
Salt and pepper?
Mm. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
Alright.